my cat Boo. He's a lavender Sphynx. Boo has to take a pill. It used to be hard to give him a pill. I used to have to hold him down. But now I use pill pockets. And now, when it's pill taking time, he's happy. And she wants one. I take a pill pocket. I take the pill and put it in the pill pocket. And he eats his pill every time. Even when I have to give him two different kinds of pills, they could go in the same pill pocket and he'll eat it. And she wants pills too. And she was terrible to give pills to. But now she begs for pill pockets. I give her other treats.